I hope you know say no be all of us go blow as an artist. I be artist, I be recording artist. These are no be all of us go blow. So when I mean blow, I mean that type of blow where you dey see, the Burna Boy type of blow, Wizkid, Spyro, Fireboy, all those people type of blow. No be all of us go blow that type of blow. If you be saying that particular thing where you dey overlook or where you dey dodge, where you feel like say no, na music, music just dey in me. I won't really, it dey okay to burn out the passion. But inside the entertainment as a whole, if you be saying no be music go carry you go there. If you be saying na something else wey actually no be say you climb stage, carry mic, they perform, get audience and all those crowds. You get my point? If you be saying no be that thing go blow you. Take Akpe for instance. Akpe dey more consistent with posting comedy content wey be say if you see am e go make you laugh. Funny guy. But the problem now be say Akpe dey very offended, I believe. Him still dey offended if you address am as a comedian or person wey dey post comic content. Him go wan make you address am as a musician. Obviously because him get that passion for music and him don drop some songs wey, Now, I know dey talk say music no be Akpe calling o, or music no be your calling. I just dey let you know say for this example wey I use Akpe do, the one wey we dey see consistent, the one wey him dey easily do, him no get problem with that one. Na the one wey be say, the comedy part of it, what? But the music part, we know the shey you get my point. So on top my list, I get 5 suggestions wey I go say make you try out or make you add up to the musician. No give up the music thing, no, still hold on to am. Add these 5 suggestions or try one of them. Take join body. Shey you understand? Number 1, learn production. Go learn how to knack beat if you never already, dey knack beat. Learn how to knack beat. E go dey very important. You go need am because somehow, person fit see beats wey you knack and prefer to work with you as a producer rather than you spending money to go, record your songs or do all those type of things. At least you go get your own studio where you go knack your beat and, sing your song on top, put them on top social media. Then you also fit still work for people. Shey you understand? And then they make money because if you be recording artist, my brother, you dey spend money. You go spend money to take record. You go spend money to do artwork. You go spend money to do couple of other things. So if you learn production, that one fit dey fetch you money. Shey you understand? Number 2, if you take law classes, like go law school. If you get where they learn am, maybe like academy, maybe say if you learn and finish, they go give you a certificate or you get a license to begin to practice law and become a lawyer, like entertainment lawyer. That one makes sense because lawyer, they play very huge part of this whole entertainment. You understand? If you become an entertainment lawyer, if you begin to draft contracts for record label, if you begin to draft contracts for artists, artists, they need different contracts. If they go for show, they need contract. If they go for interview, they need contract. You understand? Anything where they want to do, as long as it involve them and somebody else, they always need some certain kind of agreement. And there, your lawyer will come in because your lawyer will make sure, say, that thing way they do, at least it will benefit you as in client. You understand? Draft contract. If you manage music catalogs for artists and plenty other things with entertainment lawyers and they do. So if you learn law, understand the whole copyright law and blah blah blah, if you help license music and all those stuff, you understand? Number 3, you fit overlook am, but start podcast. Normal interview, like that Nedu Wazobia then type. Nedu Wazobia them they very expensive because you see all those mic, almost 250,000 or 300,000 if I'm not mistaken. If you don't cost pass like that, but those mic they very expensive. If not that mic you they target, so one of that mic maybe this amount why they tell you so. So, but start podcast with the small space where you get. Mainly this one why they do now, they more like podcasts, or probably I get somebody else for corner where they interview, Fisayo, I think, Fisayo with Don Jazzy, that table. Get microphone here. When I go sit down, they talk. You understand that type of thing? Start podcast. You and your party fit start podcast about anything. When I fit start podcast to talk about anything. Talk about people with they smoke Igbo too much. Talk about people with they do on colos. Talk about people with they waste money. Talk about women. Talk about bomb. Anything one I want to talk about. Just be consistent with them. And then with time, you go grow. Definitely YouTube, Facebook, monetization. TikTok monetization, and several other things. And before you know it happen, brands feel begin to endorse una based on una niche. She understand? So podcast now number 3. I think Joe Boy self get podcast now, so I don't know whether na in podcast or whatever. Shabo. Start podcast. Number 4, learn mixing and mastering. Song wey they just record, wey they never mix, and song wey they record, mix and master them at least properly. I no wan use the word perfect, but properly, it dey different. Sure you understand? So if you learn mixing and mastering, understand audio, understand how to use audio effects, apply them, balance vocals, make beats not too loud pass vocals, or make vocal no come go dey punch too much pass the beat, you understand? Or make something no dey blast. You get my point? Sha just tune your ear, understand mixing and mastering, how to record vocal very well, all those type of thing. You fit dey collect jobs, because no be only inside your country you go dey collect jobs for mixing and mastering. People all over the world fit send you job to mix and master if they hear work wey you do and then like am. Sure you understand? So learn mixing and mastering. Some tutorials dey on YouTube, or you fit, meet a mixing engineer where you feel like say if he teach you, one-on-one type of thing. A lot of free tutorials there on YouTube on how to at least start, how to use this effect, how to use this. In fact, a lot of those engineers where you won't go pay money to teach you, actually some of them learn from YouTube and then perfect them from YouTube for free. Now, people they different, people they learn things differently. So I know they force you to go YouTube, but I just let you know, say some people learn from that place and they use and make money today. Sure you understand? Now, number 5, if you take management classes, like management course to become artist manager or whatever manager, but just become manager. And you no go fit become manager automatically, because to manage person a very big work. She understand? So it takes a lot of things. You guys build relationship with the people wey matter. You guys build connects and network and all those type of things. You guys know wetin to do, when to do them, and wetin not to do. She understand that kind of thing. So if you go learn management, how to manage artists, or how to manage a record label, or how to manage anything, but make it just be say you dey manage a certain celebrity, because no be only artists that they manage. If you manage producer, if you manage influencer, if you manage a journalist, sure you understand? Anybody will need a manager based on wetin him don dey do, or the level wey him don do. So okay, I no fit dey run this thing myself again. I need somebody to dey manage this part. I need somebody to dey manage this part, while so that I go fit dey run this one myself. So if you take management courses, take management classes, you fit just blow from there. Meet somebody, we go meet somebody, and before you know it happen, you go start to roll with celebrities. And then number 6, in case any of these things where I talk now no come work, or you just no feel like to do all these ones, maybe you just marry and settle down, maybe begin to born pikin. Just don't forget to call us when you are born. We need the jollof rice, so that we will also pray for the pikin. Sure you understand? Jokingly as I talk, it kind of makes sense. But now here we go in this very matter for today. I will do it for now for comment session.